how to turn off family account on Cash App. So all you have to do is go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then scroll down until you see the option for support. Now here it will ask you what they can help you with, so just search for family account and you can select the first option, sponsored account 18+. Basically we just want to get to the section for contact us and click on chat. And you can't directly do it from within the app, but here you can ask them to turn off your family account. Whether you are the owner or if you are 18, you have to supply this information to them so they can unlink your normal account from your family account, and then they will walk you through the process as well as whether they can do it for you in this particular case. So hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.